Hi folks, Mike McCormick here in the Modern Muscle Cars showroom in Central Florida. I want to show you a few of these Mustangs that we've got in. This is a brand new 2019, as is that Velocity Blue 2019. Both of them are brand new. They're both Whipple Supercharged. They're both putting down over 700 rear wheel horsepower, and that's coming from an automatic. Both of these cars have 10-speed automatics. This is the new 10-speed that came out that was developed by both Ford and Chevy. And these things shift amazing. It's not like the old days where rolled over really easy from one gear to the next. They're nice, fast, hard shifts, and the RPMs don't drop. When you start shifting these, or they start shifting themselves, they'll shift at 7,000 RPMs but don't drop below 5,500. So it stays in the power curve, and as you get up through the gears, don't even drop below 6,000. It goes 6, 7, 6, 7, and you simply can't do that with a stick shift in your right hand. It's just not possible. So these are a lot faster today. Come down and take a look at what we've got. These are both brand new. They're ready to go. Over here I have a 2018. It's very slightly used. And right back here we have another 2018, and it's a manual. If you're the kind of guy that likes that shifting experience, we have one of these for you too. This only has 3,000 miles on it. Looks like brand new inside and out. Visit us on the web, ocalamuscle.com, or give us a call today.